Hi, my name is Rain Lau, and I'm a Bloomfield parent since 2009. My eldest Erin finished her junior high school last 2018, and my youngest Enzo is currently in grade 7. I can truly attest Bloomfield Academy is a dependable and a great school. All the teachers and staff are well trained, very supportive and approachable, and that for me are very important factors. This school year, when they need to transition to online learning, Bloomfield chose Canvas as their online tool. Canvas really made it easier and convenient for the teachers and students while they adjust to this new form of learning. And I truly admire the patience and dedication of the teachers to teach and guide the students. What they have been doing to ensure that the students are still getting and learning the most out of the lessons is beyond unimaginable. And for that, thank you very much. Having Bloomfield Academy as a learning partner for my kids gives me a peace of mind and security, believing that they are receiving quality education, continuously inculcating good morals, values, and being a man for all. Bloomfield Academy is truly my children's second home.
Hi, my name is Albert Nogot. I just want to say that we're pleased with our kids' progress ever since they enrolled at Bloomfield Academy back in 2017. They have adapted well to the learning environment and teaching method of the school. The teachers at Bloomfield Academy encourages our kids to always give their best in everything they do. They maintain a healthy balance of study and play. They keep their students engaged and challenged while allowing them to be themselves, have fun, and just be normal kids. As a parent, I remind my kids that whatever number they see on the report card, that's the result of their work, and it's equivalent to the amount of effort they put into learning their lessons. Of course, getting good grades is important. It gives them a sense of accomplishment, and for us parents, something to be proud of and post on social media. However, grades are not everything. The highlight of their achievement for me is the values and good habits they form at Bloomfield Academy. Hard work, patience, discipline, commitment, and respect. These characteristics that make any parent truly proud. We're thankful for the patience and guidance of the teachers at Bloomfield Academy. More importantly, for keeping our kids motivated despite the distractions and challenges of online learning. Salamat po, stay safe, and God bless.